How do I do a not equal in django-queryset filtering? In Django model query sets, I see that there is a _GT and _LT for comparative values, but is there _NE or not equal, not equals? I want to filter out using the not equals. For example, for I want to do. The not equal is not correct syntax. I also tried _NE. I ended up using
You can use queue-objects for this. They can be negated with the tilde operator and combined much like normal Python expressions. Will return all entries except the ones with 3 as their ID. Your query appears to have a double negative. You want to exclude all rows where x is not 5. So in other words, you want to include all rows where x is 5. I believe this will do the trick. To answer your specific question, there is no not equal to field lookup, but that's probably because Django has both filter and exclude methods available, so you can always just switch the logic around to get the desired result.
The field equals value syntax in queries is a shorthand for field _exact equals value. That is to say that Django puts query operators on query fields in the identifiers. Django supports the following operators. I'm sure by combining these with the queue objects, as Dave Voigt suggests, and using filter or exclude as Jason Baker suggests, you'll get exactly what you need for just about any possible query.
There are 3 options. Chain exclude and filter. Use queue objects and the tilde operator. Register a custom lookup function. Which can be used as usual.
It's easy to create a custom lookup. There's an _NE lookup example in Django's official documentation. You need to create the lookup itself first. Then you need to register it. And now you can use the _NE lookup in your queries like this.